It's a great day to work in Lethbridge. From the early days of coal mining, manufacturing, and agriculture, to today's diverse local economy, world-class agri-food sector, and two major post-secondary institutions, Lethbridge has always been one of Canada's best cities to work and live, with one of the lowest unemployment rates in the country. Throughout this rich history, the post office building has always been an essential location, connecting community to employment through many different services. Today, Teamworks Career Center is proud to carry on this valued tradition, with new offices in Lethbridge's new job search hub on the third floor of the historic post office building. For over 30 years, Teamworks has been a staple in helping individuals connect to work, assisting over 35,000 unemployed Albertans achieve meaningful employment through government-funded programs and services. Visit us at teamworktraining.ca or stop by the new Job Search Hub to connect with us. It's a great day to work in Lethbridge. Teamwork Career Center, driven to get Alberta working.